Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. The best internet resources about My aggressive puppy won't stop biting. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about My Aggressive Puppy Won't Stop Biting is www.aggressive-dog-training.com. See the page titled Aggressive Puppy Stop Puppy Biting, How to Train a Puppy. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site dogtime.com, especially the page My Puppy Won't Stop Biting My Pant Legs. Dogtime. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site pugtips.com. The web page help. My pug puppy won't stop biting, pug tips. Here's the link.